From the parliamentary opposition regarding the $31 million neurosurgical drill purchased by the Southeast Regional Health Authority.
At a press conference today, opposition spokesman on health, Dr. Alfred Dawes, said an internal investigation revealed that the company that won the bid purchased two similar drills of the same make and model for only 250,000 Jamaican dollars. Around the same time, the drill was sold to Sarah.
As Kalisha Williams reports, the opposition is calling for Sarah to immediately tell the country whether the drills are the same.
Speaking at the office of the opposition leader today, opposition spokesman on health, Dr. Alfred Dawes, outlined the findings of his investigation into the $31 million drill that was purchased by the Southeast Regional Health Authority, SARA, for the Bustamante Hospital for Children. In his opening address, Dr. Dawes told journalists that his findings revealed blatant corruption within the health ministry and a hijacking of the procurement process for the drill.
In November last year, just before the drill was purchased by Sarah for the Bustamante Hospital for Children for $31,500,000, two drills of the same type, EM200, same manufacturer, same specifications, same model numbers, were brought in by one company, the company that won the bid to supply that $31 million drill.
And in assessing the invoice for the drill from the manufacturer,
we see that it was not a new drill. They were refurbished drills with a purchase price of $1,600 US. That was the declared value, and they paid $90,000 in customs fees, bringing the grand total, landed the same drill, model number, specifications, landed in Jamaica, cost nowhere close to $31 million, but 250,000 Jamaican dollars.
Which means, according to Dr. Dawes, that the drills that the company purchased for 250,000 Jamaican dollars had the same specifications as the drill that the same company sold Sarah for $31 million. And so, he said Sarah has several questions to answer.
Is the $31 million drill at the Bustamante Hospital for Children one of these drills that were imported in November last year? Yes or no? If it is a case where the drill that was purchased from the same company just after these two drills were imported is a different drill, what was the justification for paying $31 million for a drill that could have been bought and landed in Jamaica for less than 300,000 Jamaican dollars?
When the concerns were first raised by the opposition earlier this year, chairman of Sarah, Wentworth Charles, defended the purchase and stated that it was the best offer following consultations with senior neurosurgeons. However, in going further, the opposition said it will be sending these two files with the results of the investigation to the Integrity Commission and the Auditor General.
We're asking for a fulsome investigation into the procurement process of this neurosurgical drill.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.